The parts are finally in.
So let's do some more upgrades on the Supra and the Ford GT. In the last video, we put the wrong servo into the Ford GT and we turned our Supra brushless.
And we're continuing the upgrade saga, and we've decided let's go drag race this sucker without the sway bars.
And then see the difference with sway bars. Today we have part number 8398.
Which happens to be the same part for the 2.0 and the 3.0.
So they will work in both.
So in order to race this Ford GT, we have to put a servo in it. And in the last time you watched about this vehicle, we had the wrong servo. Dumb.
We're dumb. Yeah, we had a crawler. It was like that big. It was that big.
Tiny. That is one sharp knife, brother. Put them on our Traxxas pit mat.
Here we go. Servo. Right there. In case you ever need servos, just like look back here.
Everybody needs a servo tree.
We have we put this on our Christmas tree every year. Mm-hmm. It makes it about 100 pounds heavier. So on the 2.0, the receiver box is just gonna go in like that, and the servo screws into those two holes on each side.
With the horn sticking out?
This is going to be outward, just like that. By the way, if you are new here, which a lot of you probably are because we gained almost 150 subscribers from our last two sludge videos. We know that there's a lot of new people here, so welcome to the channel.
Welcome.
We do bashing, fixing cars, we tell you how to do it, and if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. We love seeing your comments.
We should probably put a battery in here and turn this thing on to center this thing.
You always want to put a battery in there so that you know that the servo is completely centered and it's not off by a few clicks or something.
Okay, I guess I should have plugged that in first. Let's turn it on now. Sounds good. Now let's kind of get the wheels sort of straight.
So you want to make sure the wheels are straight and the servo is straight.
As straight as it can be. Is this centered?
No.
No.
You gotta also make sure that your steering trim is completely centered. So right
It'll be on zero.
there is on zero.
Should probably throw a Loctite on it.
Guys, watch. Action shots. I got the Loctite. The screw right there.
Just a drip.
Only put a tiny bit on there. Oh,
wow, that's plenty. Whole bottle. It like kept one drip inside of itself.
Only put a tiny bit on there.
yeah. It's on the bumper too, so the bumper is gonna stay on right there. I hear bass like crazy.
Yep.
Do you guys hear it? It's like
It's the mailman.
gangsta mailman.
Boom, boom, boom.
So look at now I have the max adjustability for my steering trim, so I can see what's perfect, and that looks pretty good.
Pretty preliminary test. Yeah, we'll have to get it out on the road.
Yeah, but all right. Well, right now we're done. We need to bring them outside.
Oh, we gotta put the cap on, and we gotta show them our little twisty trick.
Oh, I thought we did in the last video, but if you didn't see the last video,
Yeah, they can never get enough of the twisty trick.
are you guys ready for this? So basically, you're just gonna wrap the wire around it.
And then give it a cinch at
Just
the
kinda-
end. Like,
Do that, kind of give it a good ol'.
and then just slide that baby out of there.
And now it is
Look
coiled.
at that sweet coil, man.
And look at it. It all just fits in there. It doesn't have to be a certain way, but it all will just.
This particular box seems to have a little more room in it.
Yes, some of them don't, but this one is like pretty good. Cover's right here, and we can just pop that on without
Okay.
having to be stressed out. We are outside. Look at that. Oh, they're all so beautiful. So we're going to race this without sway bars. We got a kind of like going everywhere video today.
We've never driven the car yet since we made it brushless.
Yeah, I mean, except for up
upstairs.
there. Yeah, but let's go ahead and try it.
By the way, the audio was messed up in the clip where we said we were going to bring out the drag slash, but we're bringing out the drag slash.
Ooh, look at that beauty. Those red pins look cool. The red, what do you call them things?
Clip retainer.
Clip retainer. Still quick. Look for the steering
Yeah,
here.
me too.
She's pulling to the left pretty good.
My steering is so perfect. It's so quiet. Listen how quiet that is. It's so beautiful. Oh, I stayed up with him.
Wow, you kept right up with that guy.
That's so quiet. I forgot how much I love the drag slash. Just take off with it quick. Let's see. Without sway bars, just full speed right away to see. 3, 2, 1, go.
Pulls to the left pretty good.
Pulls to the left pretty good.
3, 2, 1.
Wow, that stayed straight.
That was pretty straight.
4 cars, there's another one. Clear.
3, 2, 1, go. You had faster acceleration. Did you see that?
Wow.
Oh, and there's Walter. What's up, Walter?
Did that really just happen?
I think it did.
I can't even believe that.
I did not use trans brake, so let's use trans brake this time. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'm 50%.
Whoa. This thing is darty with that brushless motor though.
I am 50%.
The Supra beat the drag slash.
That is pretty impressive.
The drag slash has the high-speed gear in it even.
Yeah, let me try it,
And a fan and the whole schmear we've put into that thing.
Oh, whoa, that is powerful. That does feel pretty powerful.
It's like instant torque. It's just,
Whoa. It's different than the...
I wonder if the sway bars will help that. Whoa, that sounded cool.
It needs multifunction.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Definitely needs multifunction.
Another upgrade to come, huh?
Let me try warming up the tires just a little bit. 3, 2, 1. That really helped, actually. That helped a ton. We're going to be doing the GT against the Supra. I think we all know who's gonna win here. This is brushed, this is brushless, but it's
He might be able to stay straighter longer.
yeah, this is fun though. Pretty fun. There we go. In 3, 2, 1. I'm not lined up. Go. Whoa.
See, I wiped out.
See, he's wiping out, but I'm staying straight. Whoa. I won.
I don't know what happened. You touched it, now I can't drive it.
Well, let's put a sway bar kit in that and see how it acts with the sway bar kit. These little pieces go together in 3 parts. We have this little piece right here, then the little joint connector type thing, and then this little thing, and that just goes inside of the car like that.
Right, this connects to the A-arm, the plasticky part connects to your A-arm,
Yes.
and then this connects to the wire. And there's a tiny little grub screw right here that goes in there that you tighten onto the wire once you slide it in.
We've already done a full video on how to put these into a Fortec.
Pull the shock off. See? I would do it without, but it'd be easier if it was off.
So you'll see that right here we have one that is like kind of sprayed out. It's like,
Can you?
see, there's one that's like going out and one that's a little bit more narrow like this. The one that's narrow
Goes in the front.
goes right there, not that way. And then the one that is not narrow goes in the back. By the way, guys, we did notice after driving it, we checked the temperature of this. It was cold.
It's cool. Like
It was still cold. And in the previous Supra video, we put the heatsink paste, and a
cooling fan
onto it. And
there would only be a cooling fan. It would never be a warming fan, would it?
yeah, there you go.
You can edit that out if you like. I
No.
don't mind. Even though we're famous for my hand.
Yeah.
Done.
There you
On
go.
the front. The rear needs to be
Show
completed.
them how it works. Show them how it works.
This suspension is set so low that there's hardly any movement.
Basically, what the sway bar is doing is whenever this tire goes up, it also kind of lifts this one so that it stays level to the ground,
Mm-hmm.
and it's not tipping any certain way. And if it's not tipping any certain way, it's gonna go straighter.
You're gonna
Hopefully.
keep a greater contact patch with your tire to the road.
Mm-hmm. It doesn't look like there's tons of a difference in it, but we'll just have to see once we get out on the road.
Yep.
So what we just did on the front, we're gonna do on the back, and I think we'll see it out on the road again. Three, 2, 1, go. Got it. Pretty epic car.
She's not lifting at all.
No. I think that really does have to do with just multifunction. We're definitely gonna need to put multifunction in that.
But that chin splitter is keeping it down on the ground.
That is like really close.
It keeps the wind from getting under there and picking the front end up. You want to try this?
Sure. Perfect. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Way down there.
I'm gonna do a path. I was able to keep it straight better, easier to control. What I'm gonna say is that when driving it, you know how I was saying how if you just barely just do this, just slightly,
Yep.
it would just,
spin around.
yeah, it's not doing that as much anymore.
The sway bars are making it better,
It is better,
but multifunction
would make it way better.
way better. Yep.
Because this, as you can see on here, there's no multifunction.
No.
Supra does not come with it, and
Just
it needs
a
it.
TQ, not a TQI.
I actually don't know what Traxxas was thinking with that, because,
Well, it came as a brushed car too.
yeah, but at the same time, the Fortec 2.0 Ford GT came as a brushed
GT
car,
came with.
and it had TQI on it. But they should have done it with this car, because they knew people were going to turn it brushless.
Well, then they sell more parts.
Good
So
for
far,
them.
the tires are really great.
Oh yeah, they're not.
We were worried that the tires were going to explode with that brushless power.
They look fun.
They're like a drag radio.
They barely balloon. It's a little bit all over the road, but I was able to keep it straighter for longer. Oh, crap.
In the dirt.
The tires bounce on the road.
Yeah,
You see that?
we might need Look out, car coming. Might need traction bars or something.
Something like that, but like they, see how that bounces
Yeah,
just a
it's
little
hopping.
bit? Kids, try this only under supervision, but I'm gonna jump over it. Oh!
Woo! That was close.
That was pretty
You
close.
slow that camera down on them shoes.
That was close.
Should have had them babies in 4x4.
Guys, look at this. There's a car coming, but whatever. 4x4. Do you want to try jumping over it?
Nope. Whoop, went for the rock.
Car's coming from both ways.
Car, let's just take her back to the studio.
All right, well, we will see you at the studio.
Okay, we got her up in the shop. We're at 89 degrees Fahrenheit.
Which is how many degrees Celsius?
See if I can push that.
31 degrees
No.
Celsius.
There.
About 30 degrees
30.
Celsius.
Oh, it's cooling off fast.
So pretty cool.
It's cool, yeah.
It is cool. It's a
It
cool
doesn't-
car with a cool
Doesn't
motor.
feel warm at all. So, what'd you think?
I think we had an awesome day today, and I think you guys should subscribe and ring the bell if you liked our video.
You should. You really should. This Supra is really Supra.
It's a super Supra.
It's like it was supposed to be from Traxxas, out of the box.
Yeah, it's definitely needs multifunction on it because it's pretty squirrely without it. We put a sway bar kit in it. And it did help.
It helps considerably keep it straighter for longer, but it did still want to flick out, right?
Yeah, sometimes.
And I just wonder if putting some thicker shock oil in there would help that situation.
Yeah, I think it
You know?
would work. Yeah, and we will be doing that in a future video. So ring that bell and like the video if you did, and comment down below if you have any suggestions of what we should do with the Supra or any of our cars.
Traction issues, what anybody out there that knows something about traction, you can leave a comment for us. I don't know if you guys saw it on the video, but
Yeah, it kind of just like,
there's quite a bit of wheel hop happening.
it just gets that little
Yep.
vibration.
So yeah, we had a lot of fun today. The Supra is brushless, it's powerful, it's ridiculous, really.
It's amazing.
It beat the drag slash.
I guess with that, we will see you in the next video. We love you guys, and the rest of an outdoor signing out.
Bye for now.